Welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly here at Newlands Primary School. Very excited about all the fantastic things that have been happening in school this week, and really want to tell all the children well done, because they have been working so very hard and we're very proud of them. But as always, we do have some special awards to give out this week, and Betty is super excited this week. Yes, Betty, very excited. First, we have our Going for Gold Awards. Yes, the Going for Gold. So, first we have for Going for Gold. In Lee's class, we have Declan for always being kind and caring. And we have Annalise for always being a happy and cheerful child. In your class, we have Gabe for super name writing and having a go at independently writing his name. And SJ for writing CVC words about a frog. In whole class, we have Mia for trying really hard with Fred Talk. And Susanna N for her general reading skills improving. Well done. And Nottingham class, we have William for settling into Nottingham class and contributing in lessons. And we also have Hubert for his amazing skills in maths. In Liverpool, we have Lily for greater effort in her writing. And Morrissey for always giving 100% in all of her lessons. In Cardiff class, we have Eric and Avi for amazing independent writing in English. They wrote with so much personality and did a super job writing about Cornwall. In Edinburgh 1, we have Nicola for settling back into class and catching up on the triorama work. And Kian for working really hard in maths and geography and helping others when they didn't understand. In Edinburgh 2, we have Kian for his brilliant efforts on his maths test. He really tried his best and improved his score. We also have Chloe for always making good choices and always being respectful to the other children and adults. In Cambridge class, we have Julia for returning reading records on tapestry and reading every day. Well done. Oh, Betty really likes that. And we also have Tommy for his well thought out and detailed English plan. In Oxford class, we have Rosemary for writing great independent sentences. And Riley for persevering with his 7 times tables and writing sentences neatly. In Lincoln class, we have Reuben for having a positive attitude at school. And Chester class, we have Alex for working really hard in lessons and for being a good friend to others. Let's give all of the children a big hand. Well done, well done. We're really excited. Now, Year of Being Brave Awards. First, we have in Lee's class, Esme for intellectual bravery for thinking of different ways to represent a sunflower. We also have Flynn for moral bravery for telling us all about how to keep his animals, especially baby ducks, safe. In York class, we have Tristan for persevering and practicing to write his name independently. In whole class, we have Reuben for persevering with his Fred Talk. And Alicia for moral bravery for knowing that sometimes friends need their own space. In Nottingham class, we have Isabella J for empathetic bravery during class discussions. And Julia for discipline bravery when faced with tricky challenges. In Liverpool class, we have Raymond's for empathetic bravery for helping another child when they were hurt. We also have Caleb for great improvement in his handwriting. In Cardiff class, we have Ruby for intellectual bravery for becoming more confident with talking in maths. We also have Kyle for disciplined bravery for becoming more independent with his learning. In Edinburgh 1, we have Noah for disciplined bravery when he perseveres when he's struggling to construct his triorama. We also have Scarlett for using her intellectual bravery to have a go at challenges in maths and explain her thinking. In Edinburgh 2, we have Zane for empathetic bravery. He always looks after others and finds positives in everything. We also have Alan for disciplined bravery. He found PE lessons tricky to begin with, but he didn't give up and succeeded in the end. In Cambridge class, we have Patrick's and Ilya for showing intellectual bravery and using critical thinking to solve tricky problems. In Oxford class, we have Abigail for contributing more in lessons and Bradley for always giving it a go. In Lincoln class, we have Leah for completing all of her tasks and trying her best. And in Chester class, we have Ramaya for making good choices in difficult situations and for some great English work using similes and creating some really great sentences. Well done to all of these children. Let's give them another big hand. Well done. Excellent. Now, we have our Head Teachers Award. Now, we have been looking for, remember, what were we looking for? Yes, we were looking for those children who have been posting their reading records on Tapestry. And you know what? We have had an explosion of reading records being put onto Tapestry, and we're so proud, and we're going to be looking at that for the next few weeks still. So if your name's not called this time, there's still a chance for you to get the Head Teachers Award because there's just so many. The Head Teachers Awards this week are going to, for reading records on Tapestry, we have in Edinburgh 1, Noah K. In Oxford, Ewan K. Also in Oxford, Jessica W. In Edinburgh 1, Harry W. In Nottingham, Julia K. In Edinburgh 1, Kristen K. In Liverpool, Jake K. And an extra special Head Teachers Award goes to someone who has really impressed us. Yes, they have, particularly me, with independent writing. And this goes in Edinburgh 1 to Ava. Well done to all of you for your fantastic work. Remember, keep reading now. Yes, keep reading. We love to see that you're reading. The more you read, the better you get at it. The better you get at it, the easier other things become, don't they? They do. So, this weekend, make sure to get a lot of reading done. Have a good weekend. See you later. Bye.